Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox on VIVO V40 Lite. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Now click search and click install. And now click open, click agree and continue, and here you can set your default browser, or you can click cancel, and you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in into your Firefox account, or you can click not now, and now you can turn on notifications, or you can click not now again. And here you can pick your theme, or you can just click save and continue, and here you can pick your toolbar placement, or you can click save and continue again. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.